Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals, and in today's video we are looking at Honeygain. Okay, Honeygain is an app that has an excellent trust score on Trustpilot with over 21,000 plus reviews. Okay, and it is an app that works while you don't, so you earn money for using this particular app. Hear it from me, you earn money simply for installing this app and allowing it to use your unused internet network. Okay, so Onagain is a simple online earning app that turns unused internet into money. If you install the app once and it runs in the background, it earns you money without any effort. Okay, now you can see there are 12 million plus users worldwide. There are 1 million plus payouts completed. On average, people have earned $27 on average month on month. Okay. Now, how do you earn money from Honeygain? As you can see here, it says Honeygain is a free online earning app that helps you earn money online by sharing a small part of the internet you are not using. Once installed, the app works quietly in the background while you use your device as usual. Honeygain app is available on Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux. When you reach the payout minimum, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or crypto. So you don't have any limitation. Wherever you are in any part of the world, if you have PayPal, if you don't have PayPal, if you have crypto, you can withdraw your money. Now, this particular update is not limited to those who have a Windows, that's a laptop, or a MacBook. Those with an Android can also get on board with this particular update. Okay. Now you can see Onagain has been featured in a number of publications. You can see Forbes here, you can see Entrepreneur, you can see Tea Party and IBT and a whole lot of other platforms. You can see Yahoo Finance as well. So what is it essentially? It is a simple money earning app for everyday internet users, for students and busy bees, for more than one device. That means if you have more than one device, you can connect Honeygain on it. But having more than one device doesn't mean having many accounts. More than one device, but the same login details. Okay. With unlimited home internet, you can use that extra connection to earn even more. Okay. How to start using the Honeygain app? First, you get the app for free. You can sign up and download the Honeygain on Windows, Mac, Linux, on Android. You share your bandwidth, leave the app running to earn money automatically. Whenever your internet connection is on, the app automatically starts working and taking those unused bandwidth, and you get paid. So you get paid online. You can take your earnings via PayPal at $20 or withdraw crypto sooner. Okay. So how do you get started? You click on download the app. For me, I'm already registered, so I'm just going to click on login. So if you're joining for the first time, you want to come straight down to Browser Digitals, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, all right, and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out when we post new videos. We've been sharing a lot of amazing content and we've been getting amazing testimonials from people as well. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. All right, now that I've already logged in, as you can see, I have 3,159.48 bandwidth that I've used, and my current earning is $3.16. Okay, so I'm currently on 15.8% payout. All right, so you want to get on this as quick as possible. So one of the ways that you can boost your earning or boost your mining is when you refer your friends. All right, so when you refer your friends, you can actually boost your mining. You see, you get a buzz booster and 300 credits. You say invite 3 friends and unlock your 300 credits today. As soon as your 3 friends create an account, add a device and share 5 megabytes, you can claim your reward. Okay, now apart from that, you can see your referral counts here. It will start counting here. You can see for me now, I have gathered 1.54 gigabytes. I have referred one person. My winnings is currently 80, and for others 3,000. For registering, you get 3,000 of Honeygain. All right, for registering. Now you can see on my IP on my laptop, like I mentioned, 1.5 gigabytes is what I've used. And there's this part here that shows honeypot. All right, so this honeypot is where you tap on this pot every 24 hours and you can earn some honey points. Okay, now for my achievements for registering, you can see for registering it says you have successfully completed the onboarding task challenge. Share your achievements with your friends. So for registering, I got the rookie badge. All right, now for being a steady gainer, have one or more active desktop device and gather at least 1 gig of traffic. Because I have gathered 1 gigabyte of traffic, I'm going to claim this, and it's going to give me 200 what credit. You can see. So if I come back here, this, if I refresh this, it is going to automatically what refresh. All right. Then you can see for Boss Buster, I need to invite 3 friends to claim this. Then for bronze spot here is open the lucky pot 7 times in a row. Don't miss any days to complete. So I've only opened the lucky pot once, so it's currently in progress. Then become a jump taxer. Here is you discover and switch to jump tax mode. Toggle the switch button and add your jump tax account ID to this. So for this one, I will have to come here, jump tax, you can see it here. I will have to come here and create an account. So when I create an account, I'll be able to close out this particular what tax. So for now, there's no active device that is currently sharing. So what I might just do is add some more what device. Okay. Um, so then you can see the earnings breakdown for me here. You can see the earnings breakdown. All right. Then of course, all of the achievement. There are a ton of achievements that you can complete to earn more credits. All right. And you can see the rewards here. All right. So for challenges, there are rewards, a ton of rewards as well. So that is basically that about Honeygain. So you earn a minimum of $20. You can earn it in a day depending on the bandwidth that you contribute, or you can earn it in a month, or you can earn it in a week, depending on how intentional you are with this particular task. So you want to jump right straight into it and just begin to contribute your unused data. It's just like what we do with grass when we contribute our unused bandwidth, and also with Tenio and the other apps like that, Arrow and all of that, right? So it's also the same thing, but this one you get paid instantly when you reach the payment threshold, all right? So that will be all for now, guys. By the time I get my own payouts, I'm going to show you step by step how you can claim your payouts and all of that stuff. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video, guys. So if you are joining for the very first time, you want to go straight down to our channel, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, all right, and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out when we post new videos. We've been sharing a lot of amazing content, and we've been getting amazing testimonials from people as well. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys.